Hi everybody, hope you're all staying well, looking after yourselves and staying safe. Now, one of the things we've heard about as a solution, if you do get poorly, is some assistance with your breathing, obviously your immune system and staying fit and healthy, but when it does go wrong, we may need some help with breathing. Now, we've heard different companies are trying different things. Now, here's something, quick idea I had to if you want to feel that you're doing something, that you're ready, maybe for yourself or an elderly member that can't get the help, if there's too many people go down, this is something you can have a look at doing yourself. So, snorkel and mask. You won't need the snorkel unless you want to breathe through your mouth. You're better off breathing through your nose. This is a plastic bottle. This is off a airbed pump, dinghy pump, what we won't be needing because we can't go on holiday. That's a stuffing gland to make the connection. 20mm stuffer, plenty of them knocking about. These are some parts off a fan. Now this can come off a hairdryer, it's about the right size. If you do use a hairdryer, you're going to have to change the motor to a lower voltage, unless you do want to run it off the mains. A couple of power packs that I've got kicking about. If you don't have a foot pump, this is off an old washing machine that one of the neighbours were throwing out, so I've got that. And these are the screws to bolt it all together. If you need any help, need any advice about where to get the bits from, fire away, we'll help you. But it's something we can all try and do for ourselves or family members. Okay, quick recap on the parts. We've got the mask. We're going to make the connection there in that area. There's the stuffing gland, and that'll make the connection. There's the pipe. There's the fan. We've got that wired now. And there is your bottle. So a lot of these things you've got lying about. We've got these things that are just laying about in the house. You don't need to worry, you don't need to go panic buying, and when you find the parts, off you go. Let's get constructing. Cut that off, shall we? That's there. We'll get some tape on that, and then the motor, the fan wants to discharge in that direction. So we'll assemble that, and then we'll make the connection to the mask. Cut some small slots in there, so that mounts in there. Secure it with some tape for now, and then we'll seal it all up. We'll get that in there straight. The wire's coming straight back out there. And we'll do the same with the hose. We'll get some tape around there, maybe glue that as well, but we'll tape it for now. Maybe get the glue gun out, some white tape. So get that secure, and I'll give it a test run. Okay, we've got this secure now, the front end with the motor and fan. And we've got this secure. Now we're going to look at this end to make the connection with the mask. So I said we're going to use these stuffing glands. Usually the cable goes through there and it nips on the cable. We won't be using this. We won't be using this. Get that out. With a bit of luck, that should go in there. Look at that. Maybe try and get a start on that thread if I can. Oops, and then we'll get some tape on again. Now we're going to look at making the hole in this piece here and attaching that with the screw inside, the nut inside on the screw thread. Put a little bit more tape on that, we're good to go. Okay, we mark that out, that hole, and carefully, very carefully, we're going to cut this area and we're going to make the hole. Okay, we've made the hole, so we're going to tighten that up now. I've got the nut in there. Get a good seal there. That's not going anywhere. So there's a mask, tight, perfect seal on there. Okay, so the nose area is going to become pressurised. That will in turn pressurise your lungs. Now we need a little bit of exhaust here, so we're going to put some 4 holes in there, pierce two holes either side. That allows you to breathe out. So when the pressure increases as you exhale, the air can escape and the fresh air then can continue to pressurise your lungs when you decide to breathe back in, and the pressure will assist you breathe. So we've got the battery. So it's ended up being portable. Got the battery. Okay, we've got the mask on, nice and comfy. Got the equalising holes there. Got the unit here, complete. Might look at making a cover and a filter area, but we've done the most work now, we've done the hard work. Let's give it a go. And we're running off this battery, so it makes the unit portable. Obviously breathing through the nose, you can feel your lungs pressurising, and then you're free to breathe out. Okay, good luck. You never know, you could just save your life or somebody's life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more.